Buenos dias! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go, and I have to go to work first and foremost today on this lovely Monday. But I want to go get some breakfast, and I have enough time, so we're gonna go get some breakfast at Starbucks. But I have to do like build my own breakfast because I want to make sure that I'm full and not too full, and then I want to run and start getting snacks and stuff like that, right? I used to be 200 pounds and I lost 60 pounds in like 2 years, and then I started gaining muscle, so I don't want to lose that because it's very hard to lose weight. Alright, so if you want to see my breakfast, let's get started. Alright, here we are. Alright, this is where I'm ordering from. You already know. Okay, so a plain bagel with cream cheese and your bacon egg whites.
Alright.
Bites or whatever they're called. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, it'll be $7.64 at the window.
Thank you. So, what I'm gonna do is pretty much spread the cream cheese on my plain bagel, and then I'm gonna slice a little bit, like in half, the egg whites and put them on. And then, yeah, I mean, you can put a hot sauce if you want on that. I'll probably put Tapatio on it because I put hot sauce on everything. But I don't know, because I don't know if it will taste good with cream cheese. And I don't know. Maybe I won't. I don't know if I like the idea, but probably. I don't know. I'll try it. We'll see. Alright, keep on watching so you can see how I built my own bagel from Starbucks. Alright, guys. So I'm going to do this in the car real quick so I can't bring this stuff in at work. So, here is mine. It's hard doing this. It's hard doing this with one hand. Let me see if I can sit you up. Alright, you guys are a little crooked, but I guess that's okay. I dropped the mic. Oi. Okay. Better hurry up before they start looking for me at work. Oi. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and spread. The whipped cream. I mean, the cream cheese. Ugh, I hate whipped cream. I don't even know why I said that. Whipped cream is not in my vocabulary. Vocabulary. There we go. That's what happens when you're bilingual. You have tongue twister words up in here. Okay, so I didn't use all the whipped cream or cream cheese. Okay. Cut it in half. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna do the Tapatio. That just doesn't sound right. Okay, so I cut them in half. Here it is, and then bam, and then bam, and then let's try it. Perfect. Maybe Starbucks should start selling these. Alright, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next one.